Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy A07. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, then tap on Voice Input. And from here, just select Samsung Voice Input. After that, just go back. Now in General Management, just tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of keyboard button or navigation bar. Now just enable this option. After you enable this option, then go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your Samsung phone. Now on the keyboard of your Samsung phone, you will find this microphone icon. Now just tap on it, then select while using the app. Then tap on Agree. And after you enable the microphone icon, you will be able to type on your smartphone using your voice, just like that. Now sometimes instead of the microphone icon, you might find a keyboard icon. Now to bring the microphone icon over here, just tap and hold on the keyboard icon, and instead of input method, just select voice input, and you will enable the microphone icon on your Samsung keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.